Hello, my Doring fans. Sadly, it is a Monday. Sadly, I am working. Although for a Monday, it wasn't too bad. I actually cracked on with a lot of stuff. I'm still on the same email I haven't done for 3 weeks, but I'm slowly working my way through it, or at least in my brain. Tasty breakfast, work. Had to fix a couple of things today, but it was quite a productive day. I feel more confident in the data of Rixo.
3, 2, 1.
And then, oh yes, here I am doing some
Please entertain me with your words.
some exercises. I'm doing the relationship counselling exercise, where I hold myself straight, hanging off the sofa, and Maddie sits on my butt. But I haven't done it for a while. It's feeling pretty rough. And also, she kind of forgotten her role of being very talkative, so then time passes.
Please.
But you know, she did alright as a dead weight. Can't complain. But yeah, this is a prelude to the gym. The gym actually went surprisingly well. I had a bit of trouble with the clean and jerks. I think I was a bit tired from 2 days ago. But everything else, you know, was stuff I haven't done for ages. But it went, you know, better than I expected it would. Let's just put it that way. Especially when I'm on meager rations. Maddie's starvation diet. No, it's not really a starvation diet, but I am hungry all the time. But anyway, Maddie came with me. She's got a bit of a sore knee, so she's not doing anything, but, you know, she had nothing else to do. So she came on a waddle to the gym, and she filmed everything. So thank you, camerawoman Maddie. Here I am doing some pull-ups. I tried to go down lower, but the thing hits the bottom, so I can't. So I need to kind of get strong enough to do proper pull-ups so I can just dead hang, and then maybe I'll get good. Anyway, here are some clean and jerks. A bit dicey. This is 70, so I did 3 sets of this. And like the last one was a bit of a disaster, but I still managed to finish off the reps. But yeah, I was just tired, Just tired. You can see a little bit of the podge hanging over the shorts, but that'll be gone soon. Yeah, give me some time. But anyway, they were all pretty satisfactory. Then these box jumps, this went much better than expected. It only took me like 3 tries. The first one was damn close. The second one I kind of ballsed it up, and then this one nailed it. Normally I don't know. Normally it's not that easy. So, who knows? Maybe things are getting better. Anyway, left the gym. We saw that Ali's picture was no longer our personal trainer, no longer on the board with the personal trainers. Anyway, that's that email. Still looking at it. I'm scared of it. Well, I'm not really. But it's just so big and things keep getting in the way. But I probably should try and crack on with it tomorrow. Tasty food. That was like a lunch.
I'm still hungry.
Bit more work. Having to like help people with the trade dashboard stuff. Saw Maddie looking unbelievably cute in our new Madeira hats. We have matching ones. And then we shared this peanut butter and chocolate spread wrap, which was quite a tragic thing to do, but you know, whatever. And then here we are playing some WoW. Had a good session. We're nearing Deadmines, so that's coming soon. And then a burger bowl which had some sweet potato chips underneath. Very tasty, but again not massively filling. But anyway, I pray that I wake up and lose weight tomorrow. But anyway, now we're watching Top Gear. Well, not Top Gear, Grand Tour, and then we're going to go to bed. So I hope you all had a good day. No!